What's good, YouTube? DG Webs back again with another video. Now, as you can tell by the title, today is not, I don't have any really good news to say today, unfortunately. It does suck, but did manage to blow head gasket on my boosted G35. And the reason how I discovered this was started the car, moved it in the garage, and then I just see a bunch of milk coming out, and it's still like, oh God, you can just see milk. Oil and water mixing coming out of the exhaust, which is absolutely awful. It was just oil. I figured maybe the turbo was bad or the draining, it wasn't draining right or something, but no, that's oil and coolant. So just to make sure, I was already pretty sure that I blew a head or something. I did a combustion leak test on my coolant system and I failed. So I for sure have a blown head or a cracked block or something. It is crazy that I was just having milk coming out of the exhaust. G is kind of going to be done for now. It's very unfortunate. I am a little bummed out about it. Like, I'm sure you guys are too. But this is a good thing because this means I have an excuse to throw a more powerful engine in there, which means we can hit our 500 horsepower goal sooner rather than later. Also, I'll do the manual swap and all that cool stuff. That is a lot of money and a lot of effort though. So unfortunately, I don't think I can really keep this. I did buy this intentionally to flip, and I'm probably going to stick with that. I am going to kind of need the cash, and then I'm just going to have to go back to dailying this for a little bit. I know I hate it. Like, it has a completely flat tire. I haven't driven this thing in like probably a month and a half. Like why would I want to? You know, I was going to sell this, but then that happened. So then I was like, well, I'll just sell this and have the money, and that way I can throw it back into the G, because the G is my main focus right now. I'm sure you guys would appreciate that. I mean, again, my main goal is to get this 500 horsepower, and obviously the stock block would not do that, or the auto trans. So we're gonna say goodbye to both, and it just sucks. Like, this is not gonna be driven around for probably a few months at the very least, if not a little longer. It's gonna be a work in progress for sure, but we're gonna get this rolling, guys. We're gonna get this looking good. This is going to be an awesome car. It already is awesome. The car actually still runs and drives fine. I only just saw the coolant and oil coming out of the exhaust. So obviously I can't really drive it like that. That's pretty bad. So just gonna retire the car for now. I actually stenciled DG whip onto the intercooler. I don't think it looks very good though. I kind of messed up. I have to redo it. But I do like the intercooler being black. It matches everything a little better. But yeah, didn't even get to drive it like that, so whatever. So yeah, obviously that's a big bummer, but I'm only gonna look at the bright side. I'm gonna throw probably a built block in there, maybe even swap a 3.7 or a VR30. I don't know yet. I'm still thinking about it. Obviously, I'm gonna be spending a lot of money, making a lot of big decisions. So I'm gonna think over it just a little bit longer, just to make sure I'm for sure gonna make the right decision and do what I want and do what's best to move this car forward, because I'm gonna have to do the manual swap probably, which means I gotta get like a really good clutch, I get the manual, all that stuff, worry about ECU, all that crap. Along with, I can get a built block for pretty cheap. I've seen like 4,600 this place I'm talking to, which is not bad at all. I thought about just throwing another motor in and then just driving around for a little bit longer, but then like the auto trans could go. I do got 170k miles, so like I guess it's no surprise something broke. But I did not send a rod to God, so that's pretty impressive. And I'm surprised that went before the auto trans. Shout out to that auto trans, taking all that abuse I've given it the last 4 years. But yeah, I'm actually going to, this car's almost done. I'm waiting on my access port. I'm gonna get this tuned and delete some TGV codes, because I'm having problems with TGV. I even deleted them and I'm still getting codes and everything. So I'm just gonna delete the whole system when I tune it, and then I'll drive it for a little bit, enjoy it, and then I already have people interested in the car, so I'll sell it and I'll make plenty of money, and I'm sure the buyer will be plenty happy. It is a new motor and everything, so this is an awesome car. I love it. I love driving it, and I just love how it looks, and it's really clean too, clean title and everything. So if you're in the Vegas area and you're interested, let me know. I'll give you a subscriber discount. You gotta be subscribed though. But yeah, this car needs some work. Just need to do a few things and it'll be good. I'll go back to daily driving it for a little bit. But I do want to get pedal to the metal and gather as quickly as I can. I'm probably gonna be working a little more so I can make a little extra money. I'm probably gonna put another like 10 grand into this car. I know I'm crazy. I've already put like, I don't even know how much. I don't even want to talk about it, but imagine how much money I would have saved if I just didn't have this car. Let's just think about that for a second. So yeah, I'm gonna be figuring out how I'm gonna move the channel forward, because obviously with the G being down, it's gonna be a little hard to make content. I know most of my subscribers are here for the G. I do try to do like other cars and stuff, but they don't get a lot of attention, but maybe I'll just upload it anyway. I know some of you guys do just like me and watching my content, which I do appreciate. I appreciate each and every one of you guys that comment on my videos regularly, like the videos and everything. You guys are awesome. Stick with me. This will be an awesome journey. When this does 500 horsepower and I get to drive it like that, I don't even know. I was already having trouble controlling the car at 350, so this is gonna be awesome, and I really can't wait for it to be a reliable 500 horsepower, manual swap, everything. It's gonna be crazy from where I came when it was just stock auto, and then it's gonna be manual, built block, or engine swap, or whatever. That's gonna be a crazy experience. It's gonna be pretty surreal. Again, don't worry, we're gonna get this taken care of ASAP. If you regularly watch my videos and you haven't already subscribed, go ahead, just hit the subscribe button. It's one little click and it helps me out a ton. By the way, I forgot, we just hit 2,000 subscribers, which is insane. 2,000, I mean, we still got some ways to go, but I have to appreciate each and every milestone that we get. Thank you guys so much for subscribing and watching the videos and sticking with me on this journey. Obviously, we still got some ways to go, but we're gonna get there. Thank you guys again for watching. Until then, I'll see you guys next time.